Sometimes you will get an assignment from your professor and they say that you may only use scholarly or peer-reviewed journal articles. In this brief video, I want to explain what those are and to show you how to find them. On almost all of our research guides, if you go to the Find Articles tab, you will see an explanation about what a scholarly journal article is instead of a popular magazine if you scroll down to the bottom. A scholarly journal article has been through a review process. A scholar will do a study, send the article off to the journal, and they will have experts in that field of study review the article. They'll look at their methods and their conclusions. They'll see if they read all the relevant literature related to their topic. And then they might ask for revisions from the author before they'll publish it, or they might just say no to the author if they don't think they did a good job. So these kind of articles have been through a kind of test before they get published, and that's why they are considered good, reliable sources for scholarly work like you do in college. I want to show you how to limit to this kind of article when you're searching the databases. Once you've done a search in one of our databases, virtually all of them will let you limit your results. So I did a search on mass incarceration. I have many results, and if I look down on the left, I can limit to peer-reviewed. So that's what you want to do if you're looking only for scholarly or peer-reviewed articles. So if you click that, they will now go through your articles and only show you the ones that are peer-reviewed. I also want to show you what they look like. So let's go into this second one. So you can see that they're giving you an abstract. And these are the authors, and if you look, there are little numbers by them, and I'll show you why that matters later. The main thing I want you to look for when you need to use a peer-reviewed article is to look at the end of the article, and there should always be a list of references at the end. Those are the sources that the author of this article read in order to write their article. And I mentioned those little numbers next to the names. Here, very small, they are telling you the affiliations of the authors. So that's another thing that always happens when you want to use a scholarly journal article. They'll always tell you the affiliations of the authors. So you know that they work at a university or at a hospital, or they should have some credentials that make them qualified to write about this topic. If you can't find any information about the authors, you might not want to pick that article. And if there's no references at the end of the article, I would definitely not pick that for your assignment. So that's all I wanted to tell you for now. Good luck in your search.